Hey guys, it's Rebecca. So I wanted to record things right now as they are. What I'm going to be doing is taking things out of there and like spreading it out across the counter so that I have more room to go through this lovely pile of everything that is considered cosmetics that I've got. And I took all the samples and stuff that I needed to do for like the Ipsy and Sephora unboxings, just kind of put them in a Sephora play box and to get them off the counter. Move the brushes and the mirror and that kind of stuff. So what I'm going to do is I actually do have a ring light. Don't know how well it's going to work, but I will put my phone in there and, turn it on so that I can record the process. What I'll do is I will speed it up so that you guys don't have to sit through hours and hours of video of me sorting through makeup. And what I'll probably do is a declutter while I'm in the process of it. I'm most likely going to move this as well so that I can utilize the surface of that as well, because all of this is skincare stuff. So I will do just makeup first, and then I'll do another video breaking down all the skincare samples and stuff that I've got and putting those away. So hopefully I can get everything put in up here. I've got a drawer down here that I can use that is empty, and then skincare will go down here on this shelf. So makeup, I'll be putting makeup in these drawers on my roll cart. And then I've got this as well, which once I get it full and get that box moved, I'll figure out where I want to put that along with my brush. We'll see how that goes. But anyways, I wanted to give you an update on what the process is going to be like and how I'm going to work this. And it'll just be easier to set things out of the box and spread things out on the counter so that I can go through and separate things and organize them into the various locations in my bathroom, trying to make the best use of space, but not literally cover the entire counter with everything, which is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to avoid taking up counter space with, displays like this. So anyways, I will see you guys in just a minute. I will speed through the rest of this so that you can see the process of it and it won't take forever. So hopefully you enjoy. I've got eyeliners, usually in rows by color. Like I've got liquid black and regular pencil liners. And then this row is brows, this one here with the model co in the front. These two are lip liners. And then in behind that, I actually have my liquid liners and my gel liners. I'll stick that right here for right now. I ended up not needing this at all. So next we go on to, these are primers, sunscreens, BB creams, CC creams, setting sprays, 2 liquid foundations, and then in behind are little containers that are mixes of liquid foundations, more liquid foundations. I've got a cream foundation here, cream foundation up here. I've got mousse foundations, loose setting powders here and up here. I've got pressed powders. These are like foundation powders. And then I've got like samples of foundation back here that were like little freebie things. And then I've got one like pressed under eye setting powder. This is the only Kat Von D thing I've ever bought. The only other Kat Von D thing I have came from like Ipsy or Sephora Play. All of my main lipsticks that I wear are right here. I do prefer standard bullet lipsticks or cream lipsticks versus like liquid lipsticks and stuff like that. I do have like things from, this one's from Ipsy. I've got things that came from Sephora, like this Tarte one. I have like little sample things that have come from various places, whether it's Sephora, Ipsy, or Birchbox. That's where some of the colors have come from. And then there's this. The rest of the lipsticks that wouldn't fit in there are all in here. Now, this one back here I'm selling. I do not like lip glosses with glitter in it, and that's what that is. This one here is a hot pink shade. I will never wear that. And then, so the rest of them are in there. These were just here because I had all my Ipsy and Sephora bags to unbag since April, and I never got around to doing it due to life and internet and everything else. So these were just all thrown in the box. So anything that was cosmetics went in here. So those will be taken back out, and then I will sell those. Those are brand new. Up here I have all of my blushes that are in like this kind of form. I do have a couple of blushes that are in pan form that are not in here. And then I've got, this is a shimmer veil kind of thing that I made years ago, again with this. These were like powders and stuff that I had from 15, 20 years ago. And when I used to do like this stuff on my shoulders and my arms and stuff like that, because you figure you're up close and personal in someone's face every day. So I wore like shimmery things, and this was for blush, and this was the powder that has glitter and stuff in it that I used to put on my skin. So it helped even out my skin tone, and it gave me some shimmer. And then I've got a solid brush cleaner and my J-Cat brush cleaner up here. The next drawer is bronzers and contours. It's all the ones I have. These are all of my illuminators, whether they're highlighters or cream or liquid. And then down here we have loose eyeshadows, cream eyeshadows, single eyeshadows, that kind of stuff. Some of these like came from Ipsy bags, some of them came from Sephora, that kind of stuff. And the tray that I moved, this is what hit me on the foot. These are correctors, concealers and correctors. We have eye primers here. This is brand new. I will be selling it. I don't want anything Too Faced in my collection. I've got mascaras here and in here. Then I've got brow, liquid eyeshadows, an eye makeup remover, 2 products that help with like make your eyeshadows more vivid, vibrant, 2 cream eyeshadows there, and 2 things of the little Kiss lash adhesive. That's all I use for lash glue because I am highly allergic to latex. Put this stuff back. Kind of glad all my brushes fit in there, other than the big ones, which are all in here. So these are all like big brushes that wouldn't fit, or like extra little tools and stuff. So over here I have all of my glitter. Anything that I've got that was glitter -1 is in there. And then my chapstick addiction, filled through the rest of these. And then these are like, some of these are, all except for these 2 are things that I've gotten either from Ipsy or Sephora. And then in this bottom one, which there's one that just got eaten. Get back here. These are all like little perfume samples that I've gotten from various subscription boxes, or when I place my order from Ipsy or Sephora. Some of these are brand new. I haven't even opened them yet, again, because they came from the unboxing unbaggings that I never did. And I'm surprised that I had enough space because all of these drawers are empty. This is like my miscellaneous drawer, so I've got some broken face powders here, all the lashes that I own, my EOS lip balms because they don't fit in the drawers, some extra like tools, that's a mirror, and then this is eye makeup remover that I use I put my lashes in there when I do wear them, and it helps. I soak them for a few minutes and then get the stuff off of them. The big thing of like glitter that came from Claire's years ago, and then just some other miscellaneous like illuminators and a blush that didn't fit in any of the other containers. Down here, these are all from True Color. These are all stackable. Some of these are pigments, some are foils, some are mattes, some are shimmers, some are glitters. So these are what I used to use when I worked in the salon years ago when I did makeup, and then whatever eyeshadows and stuff that didn't fit in the drawer, that's what's in here. And then the very last drawer that has anything makeup related, I absolutely hate this. I bought this thinking it would work, and it's like putting grease on your skin. These are like correctors and concealers and stuff, and it smells like plastic and wax and feels like plastic and wax on your skin. There's the blushes I was talking about. This is Bliss from Ofra. That's the banana powder from Ofra. That is, that starts with an R. Anyways, that's a blush from Ofra, and then that's just a oil control setting powder. A blush palette that has glitter on it from BH Cosmetics. The Zodiac palette, the Urban Luxe eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics. This is also from BH Cosmetics. So is this one. This is a lipstick palette. And I have the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. A Milani Pure Passions palette. Coastal Scents Revealed 2. The nudes and the blush nudes from Maybelline. Those are like super crap shadows, literally. And then everything else that's in here, I've got one palette of just matte shadows from Makeup Revolution, and then this is a custom palette that I had built back in 1997-98 for Ladybird. It's a private label cosmetics company. And then all of these are like single shadows and magnetics, and these are all done by shade or color, whatever you prefer to call it. And then this one, this is Lounge from Urban Decay, Hot Mama from Benefit. There's that blush from Ofra is called London. These are Benefit products. This is Coastal Scents. These are Coastal Scents. These are Elizabeth Mott. So these came in like little Ipsy glam bags, and they came in like little cardboard packagings, and I just popped them out and stuck them in here. Just made more sense to me to put them in here. And this is literally all of the eyeshadow palettes that I own. I've got mainly singles. And since these don't fit in the other direction, I kind of have to put them in like this. But that's literally all the palettes that I own, whether it's lip or concealer or eyeshadow or blush. They're all right here. And there's plenty of room. I wish I had the money to buy more, because I do like playing with the eyeshadows. So there's the box that had all the makeup in it, empty. And then right now I've got all of my skincare separated out onto the counter, because I will be going through skincare here and organizing it into that section down there. And I don't know if I'm even going to need this little guy after that, so that's nice. And I still have an empty drawer here as well, so I might take some of my hair supplies out of my rolling bag. I still want to, somebody gave me that elephant. I don't know what the heck to do with it. I'm getting somewhere. Once I get all the skincare and stuff probably put down there, stuff that I know that I'm just going to pull out a tray and use products out of it and put it back, will be nice. And then I won't have as much stuff on my counter. And then once I get this box removed, I will be moving my brushes up on top of that, and my mirror will probably go next to it. But I'm just happy to be getting all of this stuff organized, and it makes things look nicer. So anyways, I am Rebecca Uberstadt. Hopefully you enjoyed this end cap to all of my makeup sorting and that kind of stuff, and you enjoyed the video. And I will see you guys in the next one.